Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are a technician working with Mercedes vehicles, you have probably heard of DTS Monaco, a very powerful software for ECU programming and coding. However, this is not an easy tool to use, and not everyone fully understands how to perform operations like flash programming. So in this video, I will guide you step by step on how to perform flash programming using DTS Monaco through a real case on the VGS module. We will go through the entire process, from reading fault codes, unlocking the ECU, to completing the flash procedure so you can easily apply it in real-world situations. If you need the software, flash files, or remote programming support, feel free to contact me via WhatsApp for the fastest assistance. And now, let's get started with the first step. At the first step, I will connect to the vehicle and read fault codes from the VGS ECU. Reading faults before flashing is very important, as it helps us understand the current condition of the transmission and avoid unnecessary risks during programming. If there are any serious faults or communication issues, you should resolve them before proceeding with the flash. After reading the faults, I will carefully check all issues related to the VGS. At the same time, I will also check the authorization status of the ECU. On newer Mercedes models, the VGS is usually locked, so if it has not been unlocked, you will not be able to perform flash programming. This step ensures that all conditions are ready before moving forward. Next, I will load the appropriate project in DTS Monaco. Here, you need to prepare the flash file in advance. It can be an SMR-D or CFF file depending on the vehicle. Make sure the file matches the correct version and part number of the ECU, otherwise the flash may fail or cause errors. Once everything is ready, we will move to the VGS unlock step. Before flashing, we need to unlock the VGS. This is a required step for many Mercedes models, allowing programming access to the ECU. I will run the unlock job directly in DTS Monaco. During this process, make sure the connection is stable and do not interrupt the power, as this could damage the ECU. After successfully unlocking, I will proceed with flashing the VGS. Here, I select the prepared flash file and start the programming process. The flashing time will depend on the file size and connection speed. During this process, do not disconnect the cable or turn off the power. Once completed, the ECU will automatically reset. After flashing is completed, I will read the fault codes again to verify the result. If any faults appear, you can clear them and check the transmission operation. This step ensures that the flash process has been completed successfully. So that's the complete process of flashing the VGS using DTS Monaco. If you need flash files, DTS Monaco software, or remote programming support, feel free to contact me via WhatsApp for quick assistance. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tutorials on Mercedes coding and programming. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.